Complete the Crescendo quest. Complete 10 games of laser tag. Complete golden trophy. Complete 10 games of paintball. Complete 10 games of dodgeball. Nice. No way! Woo! Under 10 minutes. Under 9
minutes.
Wow. I've never gotten I think I got under 8 once. And S rank too.
277.
Nice. I may just upload that game alone.
Oh.
Well, that's the first weekly challenge done. There we go.
Hits. 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 Hits.
The last throw.
Hits.
Let's go.
Game over.
Yes.
We're done.
You win.
Yep. I'll get your flag. I'm recording. Flag taken.
Red flag dropped. Red flag
Red team
dropped.
scores. Blue team scores.
Red
Blue
flag
team
dropped.
scores. Red team scores. Red team scores. Red team scores. Blue team scores. Blue team scores.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna
Okay,
go to
well,
dark
that
mode.
is the weekly completed. We gotta go open it. That was the Cacti Burst.
Paintball shotgun.
Let's go check. Yeah. All right, let's go check out the Cacti Burst in game. All right. Well, this is the Cacti Burst in game. I think it's pretty sick. I like the little flower bit on the
Amazingly
bottom.
textured, but if you see when you shoot it. Shoot it.
It like,
Pulls up a little. The shotgun
It
part
pulls-
pulls up,
yeah.
but that's the only flaw. It looks amazing otherwise.
I know this is great. They've been putting out some
did
good
great.
weeklies recently. Well, that's about it for the video. Subscribe for more content like this. Bye.